Hi everyone. In this video we will see the convolution process. We are discussing about convolutional neural network. So in convolutional neural network the convolution process is very important. Convolution process. The input image is convolved with another square matrix known as the kernel or the filter. By sliding or moving the kernel one by one over the pixels of the input image, we can obtain the output image known as the feature map, which provides information about the base level features of the image such as the edges and lines. Then comes the pooling process. Convolutional layer is followed by pooling process whose aim is to reduce the size of the feature map to reduce computational cost. This is done by several types of pooling such as max pooling, average pooling and sum pooling. Then the fully connected layer is the penultimate layer of the convolutional neural network model, where the layers are flattened and fed to the fully connected layer. Here, by using activation functions such as sigmoid, ReLU and tanh functions, the label prediction takes place and is given out in the final output layer. Now we will see what is the problem with the convolutional neural network. With so many useful applications of convolutional neural network in visual image data, the CNN has small disadvantage in that they do not work well with the moving images, that is the videos, and fail in interpreting the temporal information and blocks of the test. So in order to deal with the temporal or sequential data or the moving data, it could be a video or it could be a signal, we require algorithms that learn from the previous data, also the future data in the sequence. Luckily, recurrent neural networks, recursive neural networks will be able to handle the fastly moving data, right? So that is the small disadvantage of the convolutional neural network. So this is about the convolutional neural network. Let's give a quick recap of what we studied in convolutional neural network. So the convolutional neural network takes the input as the image. The image is fed in the form of the matrix, right? With the input image, a kernel or the filter matrix is actually convolved, right, to get the features, some of the features required to classify. Those features are there in the kernel or the filter image. That kernel or the filter image is convolved or slided over the input image so that we will get those features. Based on those features, we actually do the classification process. That is, the input image is a dog or cat or apple, or what object it is, that can be actually done. And what are the different layers of convolutional neural network? These are different layers of convolutional neural network. There is input image, there is convolution part where the kernel or the filter is convolved onto the input image. Then there is a pooling process, minimum, maximum, average pooling, and there is a fully connected layer where the classification takes place. So these are the different layers in the convolutional neural network. And the image is, as we saw, given in the form of the matrix. So it will have height, width, and third term represents the RGB or black and white or grayscale image. Suppose if we have 32 into 32 into 3, it means 32 is the height of the matrix, 32 is the width of the matrix, and 3 represents the RGB color image, red, green and blue image. Suppose we have 32 into 32 into 1. So that 1 represents the grayscale image or the black and white image. Okay. And we also saw the disadvantage in the convolutional neural network. What is the disadvantage? Convolutional neural network works well for the static images, but it will not capture fast the moving images. Why? Because we are sliding the kernel on the input image. If the input image is moving very fast, then kernel cannot move that much fast, right? That is why it is not able to capture the features on the moving image. So, or also the signal which is moving continuously, those may not be captured by CNN. That's why we prefer other algorithms like recurrent neural network, recursive neural network, where the previous data also is actually stored. Okay, so this is about the convolutional neural network, and in next class we will see about another neural network. Thank you.